Guys, Idiot Investor here. Just wanted to give an update on the workhorse play, how it's going, kind of explain some of the numbers, what they mean, and I also wanted to talk about some emotional playing of the market and what to avoid. So right now, if you were to take a look at workhorse, you can see that it's been having a great run today. Even went up yesterday as well. Started running. Now, we bought these shares for $4.38 a piece. And so it might be good that they're $4.90. You'll see that the total return says $51 currently at this exact moment. Okay, but we won't get that because we sold a call for $4.50, this right here. Okay, the strike price being $4.50 means that if Workhorse doesn't come back down by the end of the day on Friday, we're going to end up selling these 100 shares of Workhorse for $4.50 a piece. Okay, now that's still a profit, as we purchased Workhorse for $4.38 a piece. We also made $14 in credit that we currently already have in our buying power when we sold the call. So if you'll look at the call right now, you'll see it says total return negative $32. Okay, but on the upper left there, where it's right underneath contracts -1, you'll see average credit 14 cents. That's times 100. So we took $14 in credit from that. Okay, along with the small profit that we'll make going from $4.38 to $4.50. So we're going to make another $12 in profit from this sale here. Okay, this is going to sell for another $12 in profit. Overall, mathematically, when you look at the account value, okay, you see it says it's bouncing around, but it's been in the upper 500s today. The most that can be is going to be $510.56. Okay, that's the most it can be at the end of the week, and I'll tell you why. So right here, our Workhorse shares, it looks, if things stay exactly as they are right now, these Workhorse shares will sell for $4.50 a piece. That means that the total value will be $450 in the account. Okay, that's what we'll sell. That's what we'll gain from the sell. Plus our buying power right here is in cash. We currently have $60.56. So all you're taking in this is going to be the $450 plus $60.56. Okay, so our max value on Friday will be $510.56 if things continue to trend in the same direction that they're going. Okay, this number right here on the right for Workhorse, the $4.50 call, that's what we would have to pay in order to close this contract. And we would take the loss that you see down here where it says total return negative $32. We would lose $32 from our initial investment if we were to buy out of this contract. Okay, but I want to talk about emotions in selling and some principles that I follow in order to be successful, and I want to share them with you guys so that you can follow along with these principles. It's very hard and it's human psychology, but when you trade, people get emotional about missing out on profits. Okay, I want you to know that I'm not upset at all about what's going on here. Okay, we're missing out on some potential profit. If I had known that Workhorse was going to fly up this week, and I didn't know, I don't have a crystal ball, and if everybody did, everybody in the market would be rich. There wouldn't even be a market. Okay, so what I do know is that we started this account this week at $485. Okay, so if we take a look back here, this was where our Workhorse option from last week flatlined. Okay, and then when that last penny went through, we were at $485 at the start of Monday morning. Okay, and 8 cents. That was our total account value. All right, so now we're already up almost $20 from that. Okay, and this is a small account, right? If it hits 510, at our max because of selling Workhorse for $4.50 a piece, we're still going to have made a 5% gain for the week, okay? If we had more money in this account, if we had done the same play with 5 contracts, with 10 contracts, you're still making 5% on whatever the value was that you invested in that. Okay, so I'm not going to make any kind of adjustments to this. It doesn't matter if Workhorse goes to $7 tomorrow. Like, it doesn't matter, okay? I don't know if it will. You could potentially make money. If I were to take the loss and sell this call right now and Workhorse flies to $7 tomorrow, of course I would make more profit. But I don't know what's going to happen. It can come down for the rest of the week. All I know is that right now I'm profitable, okay? And that's the way I think, you should always look at the market. If you make a play and you make profit, then you won, all right? Never look back. It's going to drive you crazy. Even if you were just swing trading Workhorse, right? If you had sold it this morning, all right? Like, say you sold it right here, $4.78, and then you looked back later today to see it at $4.93, you'd be kicking yourself, right? That's the emotion I'm talking about. If you bought it for way down here, $4.40, $4.38 like we did, okay, and you sold it for any sort of profit, you just have to take that profit and run with it, okay? Like I said, no one has a crystal ball. You don't want to play with emotion, all right? Is there a potential that this particular play could miss out on a little bit of profit? Of course. But it doesn't matter because we are profitable, okay? We bought Workhorse for less than $450. We bought it for $438. We're going to sell them for $450, okay? Making a $12 gain on just the swing. On top of that, we got $14 in credit from the call option sell, okay? So I'm happy with that. It's a 5% gain on a safe play for the week. And we'll just adjust our play for next week based on whatever it is that we want to do. But this is, like I said, I like this strategy because it's safe. It's a nice play, and I just want you guys to know, like, try and keep emotion out of your plays. Don't freak out. Have conviction in your plays. I have conviction in Workhorse, which is why I've been playing it, but I've also been playing it safe to make weekly income or weekly money on this play. So I just wanted to let you guys know kind of how to read this a little bit, where it shows the account value. So the account value, it's minus $47 here, okay? Because like I said, right here, this is what we'd have to buy, or I'm sorry, we have to pay in order to close that contract, all right? But just like I said, we're profitable. This is a win. So if you're following this and looking at this and going like, oh man, but you missed out on this or that, what about the weeks before, where it went in the other direction? You never know. So as long as you're profitable, always be happy and take your wins and move forward. All right. And we're still way up. This isn't even the full month since we started. We started at $300. We're up over 60% in a month. So we're doing really well, guys. I just wanted to touch base on that emotional playing and how I feel about where we are. All right. We've basically just maxed out the profit from this play for the week, and there's nothing wrong with that. All right. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you continue to enjoy the ride, and we will make follow-up videos and more plays as things become available. All right. Thanks.